welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I will teach you, we're actually gonna teach you the choreography that we made. The title of the song is called Road Trip by Dawin. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so this one is 6/8 choreography. It's a little bit fast, but I'm sure you'll get this. So it goes like this. Legs first, 1 and clap. So make yourself smaller. 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Then you're gonna go shoulder drop, 3 and 4. Alright? One more time. 6, 7, and go 1 and 3 and 4. Then shoulder back 5 and stop. Turn around on 7, 8. So this one your left is folding. 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shoulder stop. 7, 8. Then 1. From here, continue. 7, 8. Close. 1, 2. Don't jump too high, you'll be late. So 7, 8. 1, 2. This is 3. And so make sure you flex 3 and jump on 4. Okay? Then let's try first. So 6, 7. What's the last 10? 7. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Wrong count. 7. So 5, 6, 7. And 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Copy? So now we're gonna kick 5, 6, push 7, bend 8. So important here, don't lean back when you go this. One more time. So 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, bend 8. Let's continue. From here, 7, 8. Then you're gonna lean back. 1, 2, side, 3, 4. Continue. 5, and overhead. 6, 7, bend 8. One more time. So 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and overhead, 7 and 8. Good job. Let's continue. Next, from here, you're gonna go face to your left. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Step your left to the front, to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 2 shoulder. Okay? Let's go. 7. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 8. We still have 2, 8. But before that, let's go from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, back. 1, drop. 3 and 4. Shoulder stop. 7, 8. 1, 2. Flex and 4. 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, open. 4, knee. Overhead, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now we go to the easy part. So from here, 7, 8. Okay? Then you're gonna go cross. 1, 2. Same 3 and 4. You're gonna do chest 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's easy. One more time. So 7. What's this? 7 and go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chest left and right low. 7 and 8. And for the last 8. So from here, 7 and 8. You're gonna lean back. 1, center, 3, 4. Step back. 5, 6, 7, dip. 8. And push you like. Anything you like. And that's it. That's the choreography. One more time. So go like this, 7 and lean back. 1, front, ta-da, back. 5, 6, 7, dip, stop. And that's it. Yes! Now let's try everything from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. One more time. Can we go here? Okay. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, flex, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, and hop. 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, nod, 3, 4, chest, 5, and 6, and set. Hop. Last 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and yes! Good job, everybody!
Past that, all from the basic. I would never ever be basic. Y'all, back on my day shit. Fitting down low with the spaceship. Can't this straight on the daily. Cause the jewelry gave me the brain freeze. CEOs wanna pay me. Rich girls wanna have my babies, yeah. Shorty said she liked the old me, but the old me didn't have a rollie. Tick, tick. Haters tryna hate on me, but that's gonna get them blocked like a goalie. Yeah, my life is a paid vacation. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on our video. Okay? We'll see you next time.
Bye.